morning. Oh, they're still sleeping. Sleepyhead. Oh, he's up. Oh no. She just moved her head, huh? Look. Buttercup the second.
Tortoiseshell.
Okay. And Blackie, Tiger, and look, Tuxedo.
Yeah.
Look at oh, hi Tuxedo. Good morning.
Stretch.
Stretch. And look at Ginger. Hi, good morning, Ginger.
So pink is
I
nice.
know. Look at the lips. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Good morning to all. Okay, be right back because I'm gonna go take Catherine at school. Hey, good morning, Pumpkin. Look at that. They're grown up already. Okay, bye.